Hey YouTube, this is Dana from NexGen. Today on this fantastic Financial Freedom Friday, we're going to talk about multiple streams of income. I will go over the top 7 streams. These streams fall into 3 main categories of income: active, passive, and portfolio. These streams have gotten us through multiple government furloughs and now the pandemic. Earned income is the one we are the most familiar with, and it also has the most risks. Whenever you're an employee or self-employed, this type of income is heavily taxed. Another downside is that earned income requires active participation because it falls into the active income category. If you don't work, you don't get paid. Although you're trading time for money, you can use this income to acquire the other streams of income. Profit income can either be active or it can be in the passive category. For example, if you purchased a product for $75 and sold it for $100, you made a profit of $25. You can do this actively or passively. Passively, you could put these transactions on autopilot. An example would be affiliate marketing, where the manufacturers do all the work. Passive income not only receives favorable tax treatment, it also does not require your active participation. Another category we're familiar with is rental income. There are so many things besides real estate that can be rented. For example, you can rent land for farming, equipment, office space, parking space, space for events, advertising space on your car, photography gear, and for traveling parents, baby items, etc. This can also be either passive or active. An example of passive is if you use a management company for your rental properties. The possibilities are endless. Portfolio income does not come from passive investments nor earned through regular business activity. This income category is money received from interest, dividends, capital gains, residuals, and royalties. Unlike active and passive incomes, portfolio income is not subject to Social Security and Medicaid withholding. In other words, you get to keep more. Examples of interest income include savings account, money market accounts, and certificates of deposits. Dividend income is a distribution of profits by a corporation to its shareholders. When a corporation earns a profit or surplus, it is able to pay a portion of the profit as a dividend to its shareholders. Residual income is income that you continue to receive after the completion of the income-producing work. Examples of residual income include receiving a retirement check or checks and royalties. My best friend wrote and published her books recently. The money she will receive from the sale of those books will be infinite. An example of royalty income. And this is not even to mention movie rights. The last income stream I'd like to talk to you about is capital gains. Capital gains are profits that result from a sale of a capital asset. This can be a stock, a bond, or real estate. And this is where the sales price exceeds the purchase price. The gain is the difference between the higher selling price and the lower purchase price. I hope this information was helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.